Hi lovelies, today we are going to be looking at 3 easy ways to make money online with just a laptop. When I'm talking about a laptop, you can have a PC, you can have a MacBook, and even the ordinary laptop that you use at home. Remember, this video is just for beginners, so it will be beginner friendly. And I'm going to be bringing in some real examples about the people who have succeeded in making money with their laptops. Are you having a laptop at home? Please, I would love you to, as we watch this video, hold on to the laptop and let's go step by step. Let's practice and see what we can do. This is a disclaimer, you guys. I'm not a financial advisor or a consultant. I'm just a simple lady who has tried these methods and also have seen my surrounding. I've seen my besties use these methods. The whole world have used it. As in, when I'm talking about the whole world, I say in different parts of the world, there are people who are using their laptops to make money. Here, we are going to be looking at things which are very familiar, but you didn't know that you can go a step ahead and use it. To you who has been on Immaculate Show, you're just awesome. Thank you very much. Let's dive in. But before we dive in, do you want really to learn how to make money online with just your laptop? We've been using phones, but you have that laptop. Yes, even if you're starting from scratch. I started from scratch. I started from $0.0. I started from 0.5, but I'm in position to withdraw some money every month. Do you think I'll fail this? No, I won't fail, and you won't fail either. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home mom, you're a parent there at home, you don't have work, or you're just tired of your 9 to 12-hour job. This video is packed with 3 easy ways and beginner-friendly ways to start earning online today. And I'm not just going to tell you what to do. I'll show you the real examples of people who are making money doing these exact things and how much they are earning. Without leaving me, the person who is on a mic, I'm one of them. So grab your laptop, hit that like button, and let's turn your Wi-Fi connection into a paycheck. The first method or the first way to use your laptop is freelancing. What is freelancing? We've been talking about freelancing most times every day. I think we have a bank of videos about freelancing. But what do you know about freelancing? If you know anything, just go to the comment section and tell us. And for you, if you don't know, freelancing is selling your skills online. What skills do you have? Do you have that skill of writing? Do you have a skill of talking, of voiceover? Do you have a skill of drafting? Or you have a skill of making some photos and other things? If you have those skills, this video is for you. For you to start up with freelancing, this is one of the fastest ways to start making money online. However, it might seem to be easier or it is hard to some other people. There's nothing that is easy and nothing that is hard. What you need to do, you need to be focused and know what exactly do you want to chase. Because you know why it is really very simple? You can start easily online, and because you simply trade time and skills for money. You're not going to trade any product on freelancing. Here, I know you're scratching your mind. You're like, freelancing, how do I sell my skill of photography? How do I sell my skill of designing logos? Let me tell you, apart from the local ones, I could have said you put on your WhatsApp status such that your community can see your work, your designs, and even the way you manage your social media. Apart from that, you can go a step ahead and be professional by going to some of the platforms that do welcome you to put your skills here and do freelancing with them. Platforms like Upwork, platforms like Freelancer, and even there are other platforms that can allow you to sell services like writing blog posts, designing logos, managing social media, and even editing your videos. So don't think you have skill and you just sit at home just like that. You're waiting for a government job or for someone to call you for an interview. No, start right now. Guess what? If you can use Canva, do you know Canva? Canva is one of the platform that I've used to do a lot of work for me. But if you don't know Canva, just go to your Play Store or you go to App Store, put there Canva, let it come. It has two sides, and of those two sides, one is free, another one is premium. So you can use it to write emails, you can use it to edit simple TikTok videos. You are ready to go if you have Canva. Then can I give you example? Apart from myself and my close people, there's this guy called Alex Fasulo, is on Fiverr. You call it Fiverr. It's Fiverr. He's a freelancer who writes blog posts and even press release. This lady makes around $350,000 per year just from freelancer writing. And she started with no fancy degree. She just started with a laptop. So is you. The door is open. Please step outside. Even on the low end, beginners on Fiverr can make as high or as low as $300 to $800 per month. And that grows fast with the reviews, you guys. Please, I would love to give you this separate tip, because I know some of you are scratching your mind, your head, and even saying, it cannot be done. It's impossible. Please, I want you to pick one of the skills that you have. Start small. I started small. By the way, I'm not a talker, but I know how to package. I started small. Now you can also start small, get reviews, and raise your prices as your experience grows on those platforms. Let's dive into the second way of making money with a laptop. It's print on demand. Print on demand, go to the comment section and tell us what you know about print on demand, because we have different ways. We have talked about it. There, if you don't know it, print on demand is creating and selling without inventory. Like, for example, you can be there and say you're going to sell Bible verses on products like t-shirts, caps, mugs, but you don't have any inventory, and you can do it. So how do you do this? What you do, print on demand, also is known as POD. Here is how it works. You design graphics, quotes, or simple arts. You upload them to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printfy. They handle the printing, the shipping, and customer service. Everything is theirs. Yours was to get an idea, design, and leave the money to flow. You don't lift any finger. You earn a cut every time something sells. So let me tell you what you do with print on demand. You have to know what you want and also what you want to achieve. Please, you can go ahead and make, should I call it make advertisement? Should I call it like that? You can promote your products on all social media platforms, provided depending on the platform you're using, like Redbubble or Printfy. I give you, there's this person, Michael Esek. This guy has made enough money. He makes over $10,000 every month from selling t-shirt designs. Even better than this, he uses free tools like Canva to create designs. I know you have a free tool, the Canva, but what do you use it for? Hopefully, it is productive. You know, as a total beginner, you can still make $100 to $500 a month with just a few consistent uploads, and it grows with time. What I encourage you here, I can give you a pro tip. Stick to trending niches. When we are talking about trending niches, you can go and look for quotes, memes, and pets or pop culture that are trending. This is the simpler and be just better than anybody else, provided you become simple. Now that you have known this, please, if you've reached on this stage without subscribing, what are you waiting for? Even if you don't want to subscribe, just go to the comment section, tell us your mind. What do you think? What do you think about these two methods? The third way is, and the last, is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you find you get paid by recommending products which are not yours. Here, number 3 is affiliate marketing, you guys, which is very interesting. And it's how many people in this world are building true passive income, and they build it online. The concept is simple. What you do, you promote products through special links. This special link is given to you from the program. The program, we can talk about Amazon and others. If you register, you finish registering, you'll be having access to all the products you want. But the only thing I advise you is to look for a niche or for products that are trending. How do you know that these products are searchable for and are trending? You can use ChatGPT, you can use Google AI Studio, If you use these ones, you put the prompt, you ask what are the most wanted products now worldwide, they will show you, and you use those products instead of just going for any product. So when someone clicks on the link that you post on your social media platforms or you promote anywhere, and that person buys, you will earn a commission. You don't need a huge following, you just need to create helpful content and be consistent. I'm always very really mesmerized by the people who are putting their content on TikTok. I really love it so much. You guys keep it up. If I take you deep and I show you some examples who have gained a lot of dollars from this affiliate marketing, there is Hilda Ryan. Hilda Ryan started as affiliate marketing through YouTube, not even other platforms. He started reviewing tools and sharing links. He has earned over $100,000 per year as his passive income. But you don't have to be a YouTuber, you guys. People are making $500, $3,000 monthly just by sharing affiliate links you can use on TikTok, Pinterest, even blogs. If I push you to, I know you're asking yourself, what are these affiliate links programs? You can go to Amazon Associates. You can check for ClickBank. You can also join Impact. They share a sale. These ones all, they are good platforms for this cause. Key tips I can give you on this affiliate marketing: only recommend products you have used for genuine like. Trust build, even you can also build the trust. It is not also trust building, but you can also build it. And click lead to sales. You guys, can I tell you something? Most people think having passive income, it is only to use a phone. It is only to use those consecrated gadgets. But a simple laptop can make you make money even when you are not prepared for it. Just get your simple laptop, sit on your couch, and start doing one of these ones. You guys, can you really go ahead and choose one of the methods for using as a person who owns a laptop, and don't let that laptop fail you, or don't fail that laptop. You guys, I'll be seeing you in another video. Thanks very much. Bye bye.